Vocabulary Challenge, Kitchen Edition. Here we go. Hey everybody, I am here in my kitchen and I thought we'd do a little kitchen vocabulary quiz. I will show you a small kitchen appliance or kitchen utensil. You guess the name of that appliance or utensil, and then I'll tell you the correct answer. All right, ready? Let's get cooking. Blender. Stand mixer, because it stands up on your counter. Hand mixer, because you hold it in your hand. Food processor. Tongs. Rubber spatula. Metal spatula. Whisk. Ladle. Wooden spoon. How did it go? Let me know if you have any other kitchen vocabulary that we didn't talk about in today's TikTok. Also, drop me a comment if you have ideas for other vocabulary challenges that you would like to see on our TikTok page. All right, I'll see you next time.